Welcome to another Seoul vlog.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Today, we are going back on the bus, doing another route. There's 3 different lines you can take. So yesterday, the day before yesterday, we did one because there's just so much to see on that one. And today we are going to try to do the other 2 lines to see more stuff. Yeah. So Lego. So we are at the animation center, and it's actually really cool. Oh shit. I just hit that with my phone. What's up guys, it's your homegirl Jess, and welcome to my crib. Come on in. I saw it guys. Over here we got our rainbow bed, the top notch, super comfy. Yo, where all the magic happens. Over here, we have my workstation. I make all my dollar bills. Here's my bookshelf. You gotta have one. And then over here, we have my nice mirror. It's a little warped, but you know, it gets the job done. And then over here, we have my beautiful view of, I'm assuming the sky. I'm not too sure. Wow. Everything here picked by yours truly, and that is all I got for my crib. Y'all gotta go. What? Bye. Whoa. Wait, come back. Over here, we got my luxurious car. They see me rolling, they hating. We have the 120 F-Series? F-Series. In blue. Rare. Damn, she got a nice back. Now that is all I have. But that is all I have for cribs. Y'all gotta go. Bye. So we are at a temple, and it's so pretty. My mind is just, it's moving. There's a lot of people praying, so I feel bad filming in certain areas. And this man's taking a picture of me. In the back. Love it. We are now on the lookout for, oh, I found it! The Psy Gundam style statue, that thing. I can see it. It is in my viewpoint. I don't know.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Welcome to my last day in Seoul. It is our last day here in South Korea. We are headed home tomorrow. Sucks. But we actually got everything done that we wanted to do. Today we have one last thing. We found this DIY phone case cafe where it's a cafe and you make your own phone case. So we're going to attempt to find it today. We have not used their subway system here since getting here because we've been taking these tour bus, hop on, hop off bus thingies. So today we are going to attempt the Seoul subways. Lego. So this is how they give it to you to go. They put it in a machine and then it dries it. And they give you this cute box. See if I can open it.
2%
This
Spain
is
goes up in
mine.
2018. So that's one that
I think it's cute. It didn't dry too. Oh, sorry about the shadow. But it didn't dry too nicely here. But it's plain cute. Wait, can I take it out?
Around better talks, perhaps in the
Oh,
backdrop
I'm scared.
about this North Korean US summit going ahead in Singapore, 7 more.
So bad idea. It's still wet, and I got crazy glue all over my hands. So I'm not gonna touch it. This is my sister's. Hers is so cute, but she's oh shit, it's stuck to the thing. She was stuck to it.
What is?
It's stuck
What's stuck?
to the phone case.
What's stuck?
It's stuck to the box.
Well, then unstuck it.
I'm stuck. Anyways, I'll show her from here then. But she's, you know, she's the crafty one, so hers is cute. And our last day in Seoul has come to an end. We just got back from dinner. We missioned, not too far, but we missioned to go to Shake Shack because I wanted to try it. And I have to admit, the burgers in London Shake Shack is a lot better than here, but the fries in Seoul is better than London's Shake Shack, if that made sense. But yeah, it's we're just gonna stay back at our hotel for the night, repack our suitcases, because God knows how we're fitting everything in there. I don't know. But it's been one crazy trip, and honestly, like, let's see if I can sit you guys down somewhere, because this is hurting my arm. Oh. Honestly, like, going to Asia got me out of my comfort zone, because I have been so used to going to countries, well, basically European countries. May not have known the language, but at least our alphabets were the same. So coming to Asia, I knew absolutely nothing, and nothing's in English, and the writing's not even the same. It got me out of my comfort zone, and now I feel like I can conquer the world. I can go anywhere. So I'm extremely happy that I came, and shout outs to my sister for putting up with me for 2 weeks. I don't think she will ever go anywhere with me ever again. But yeah, that's all I have for my Asia vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you enjoyed them, please give them a thumbs up. Leave some love in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will be going on another trip sometime soon. And as always, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.